So artificial intelligence is really a new technology that is now coming of age. And there are many industries where it is being used. And there are automotive industries that are inventing how to use artificial intelligence to drive cars. And there are other companies that are using artificial intelligence to detect images or to search or whatever. If someone is going to invent how to use artificial intelligence for telcos, it's going to be telcos. So what we're trying to do here is to take this technology, look at our network operation issues that we have today, and with all this data, see what algorithms can help us optimize.
This is an area on one side which is a very hot topic, because for example, if you look at the way some of the hyperscale operators operate their network, 97% of the problems showing up in Amazon's environment, for example, are auto-remediated. So we would like to do the same in the telco world. And the group is using TIP Summit here as a way to interact and find consensus and make the next steps after that with the support also of the TIP Technical Committee, so we will help the group to actually accelerate.